Gilas player na si Vanessa De Jesus at Duke University pasok na sa quarterfinals or Elite 8 ng USNCAA. Napanight-night pa ang teammates ni Vanessa matapos ang assist ng Pinay sa 3-pointers. Nadali naman ni De Jesus ng hesitation moves ang bantay ng North Carolina. Panoorin natin ng highlights.
Vanessa De Jesus cut for 6 from 3. De Jesus. De Jesus. So patient. Luke was 0 for 5 when Maria Goctang was on the floor, Carolina. Lucia Kanawa. 12 offensive boards. Much better. Kevin with a little mic drop.
Para sa mga susunod na laban ay mag-subscribe ka na sa ating channel.